How to add split screen app pair shortcut to home screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library and click on phone app. After click on phone app, go back. After go back, click on this icon and you will see apps is here, and just click and hold on phone icon. After click on phone icon, you will see open in split screen view. After click on open in split screen view, so you will select second app from here. So click on second app, you will see. So you will use two apps from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can add split screen app pair shortcut to home screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.